Welcome on the second modules on the geographic information system in tourism. Uh, let's continue with the topic using GIS to illustrate the tourist map. Unit 1 is a description of the type of the tourist map. Let's see the definition. A tourist map is a navigational tool that provides geographic details specifically designed to assist tourists in exploring new places. This map typically highlights points of the interest, such as landmarks, attraction, explore attraction, historical site, and culture hotspot. The primary purpose of the tourist map is to help travelers efficiently navigate the location while maximizing their experience by providing accessible information about notable sites and amenities. The tourist map is different. The tourist map depends from the type of the tourism. Uh, we have landscape tourism, rural tourism, culture tourism, urban tourism, and the map are landscape map, cultural map, city map, part of the tourist map. But all the tourist maps are the thematic maps. Geographic information system, uh, its development uh, help tourist map evolved from traditional paper-based formats to digital and interactive versions that can be accessed on multiple devices as a mobile, laptop, iPad, etc. Geographic information system allow users to customize their maps, get real-time update and integrate data, such as the opening hours, ticket price, or event schedules from the destination they are visiting. For Unit 2, the topic is the importance of GIS in the tourist map. GIS tools are used in creating tourist maps by collecting, analyzing, and visualizing special data related to the tourist destination. They help in plotting out landmarks, calculate distance between attractions, create optimal routes, and provide interactive map layers that can include information such as nearby amenities, public transport routes, and visitor review. A geographic information system create opportunity to download the map and for offline user. Many digital tourist map can opportunity to customize the map according to their interest. These are the importance of the GIS for the tourist and the tourist map. Thank you.